Today I'm going to show you how to add money to your Venmo account easily and quickly. If you're ready to start using Venmo for all your payments, let's get started. First things first, open the Venmo app. First, make sure you have the Venmo app installed on your phone. If you don't have it, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have installed, open the app and log into your account. Now go to your profile. Here you can find the Venmo balance. Tap on your balance to access the options for adding money. Simply tap on Add Money. Here you can find various options to add money from. Choose whichever you prefer. Type in the amount you wish to add on your Venmo balance and make sure it's within the limit set by Venmo, which can vary depending on your account verification status. Once you confirm, the funds should be added to your Venmo balance usually within a few minutes. And that's it, you've successfully added money to your Venmo account.